Guys, someone check it. Audio video both are clear or not? Now it's working or not? Just check it, guys. Everyone, it's working now. Is it working now? Somebody check it. Yeah, I think now it's live. Yes, yes. Now it's live. I think, right? Yeah. Now it's live, right? Right. Okay. So all of you, welcome to Unacademy. Let's crack it, right? Let's crack it, right? So everyone is ready to crack, all of you? All guys are ready to crack or not? All guys are ready to crack or not? All guys are ready? Everyone? Everyone is ready? Yes, all clear, right? Yeah, all clear. Okay, then get ready. Get ready. Good afternoon. Yeah, Naveen, Leena, Yesh, Ferdinand, and who are there? Yeah, Yesh. So, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Sabana, good afternoon or good evening, everyone. How are you all, guys? Right. So now, RP Civil Live, right? Whenever you are subscribing for the Plus and Iconic courses, that RP Civil Live is a course you have to use, all of you. Yeah, Sainath, ready? Yes, get ready. So this is my profile in Unacademy you have to follow. Yeah, good evening. So this is my referral code. RP Civil Live is my referral code you have to use always, all of you, right? So these are all the subjects I'll be taking in Unacademy Plus platform, right? ESS lunch is over very long back. Yeah. So this is the offer going on, all of you now. 12 months, 24 months if you take 4 months extra, and 12 months if you take 3 months extra, you'll be getting for Plus and Iconic subscription. So ask your friends to use this referral code RP Civil Live and subscribe. So the offer is valid up to today only, right? Today will be the last date of this one, right? Yeah, 2 times 3 times is done. Very good then. Yeah, because ghost will do 2 times 3 times only, right? Normal human beings will do only 1 time, right? So on March 13th at 11 a.m. you will be having, which one, all of you? You will be having this combat event. If you just observe, you will be having this combat event, right? Whenever you are enrolling for this combat event, use the referral code RP Civil Live. Okay, right? I don't know, for me only 1 time is completed. I am not ghost na, like Lina, so I will be taking only 1 time, right? So these are all the benefits of which one? This is a plus subscription, you can say, right? Sorry, iconic subscription along with the plus benefits, you can say, right? So now these are all the placement related subjects we are having, right? Okay, so these are all the new batches starting: Ascend batch, Evolve batch, Target batch, Vision batch. These are the batches starting. So Karupaya, good evening. So yesterday what we have done, if you just remember, this part 1 we have done yesterday, na? So fundamentals of this surveying, which part in this fundamentals of surveying also, which one we have done? Types of this survey we have done, na? Yes. Yeah, yes, yes, I am human. Yes. So surveying, types of this surveying we are doing, right? Today also we'll be doing questions on which one this types of this survey only, right? Tomorrow we'll be entering into which one? Tomorrow we'll be discussing about the scales, right? Yesterday and today only the types of survey. Tomorrow we'll be discussing about this scales part in the fundamentals of surveying, right? Okay, topic wise we'll be discussing. Okay, so these 11 questions, right? 11 questions we have done already, na? So 11 questions we have done already, and now coming to this today's class, surveying all state PSC PYQs. This part 2 today will be starting. This is 12th question, right? All of you try to select the answer here. Everyone try to answer. Everyone try to answer here, all of you. Everyone try to answer. Everyone. Somebody will answer. Somebody select the answer. Which one? Yeah, Leena A, Sainath C, Karupaya A, yeah, Ved Prakash A. Any other answers? Any other answers? Other people? Naveen C. Any other answer? Right. So if you just observe, Geodetic survey of India was done using. Whenever you are doing this geodetic surveying or geodetic surveying, we'll be doing it by using which one? This triangulation principles. Yes, na? We'll be using which one? This triangulation principles. If you just observe, right? In this triangulation also you are having two principles, right? Two methods, right? What are the two methods you are having? Yeah, yes, selected favorite option. What are the two methods we are having in this triangulation method? One is triangulation, other one is trilateration. Trilateration is also a part of triangulation method, you can say. Is that clear, everyone? Right? So that is how we have to go for. That is how we have to go for, right? Shall I move to the next question? 13th question, all of you. Yes, I'll be moving into the next question, right? Select the answer here, all of you. Select the answer here for this 13th question. Write the question number and write your option. Okay, that is better. This time you are not selecting. Very good. Yes, realized fully. Right. So once it is done, tell me. Yes, I am reading comments in my mobile. Yeah. Write the question number and answer all of you. Right. Write the question number and answer. Right. That is better, na? So that whoever is reading these comments later, they can understand. Okay. Yeah. Karpaya, Leena, Sainath, Yesh, Naveen. All of you said D? Yes, yes. Absolutely correct, all of you. Right. Absolutely correct. Right. Knowledge of surveying is significant for, right? What is the purpose of this surveying? Laying underground pipeline. If you wanted to construct underground pipeline, what is the general purpose of this underground pipeline, all of you? What is the general purpose of this underground pipeline, all of you? Underground pipeline purpose is what? For providing this normal water, right? Drinking water facility and sewage water facility and all these things, na? Yes, absolutely, right? Town planning. Whenever you are planning a town, without the knowledge of surveying, can you do anything? No, you cannot do anything, right? Laying of canals. Yes, for these also surveying is required. All of the above, right? This is Uttar Pradesh Public Service Commission examination question. This is Uttarakhand, right? Recently that Uttarakhand and Uttar Pradesh results are going on, na? Yes. So which one is the correct answer, all of you? For all these purposes, we are using the surveying knowledge. Yes, na? Right. Yes, gas pipeline, sewage pipeline, drinking water pipeline, any type of pipeline we can use it. Yes, na? Absolutely, right? Your state, which state it is? So Uttar Pradesh is your state or Uttarakhand is your state? Right. Next question. Tell me, all of you. Similar kind of question is given, but in a different mode it is given, right? So this 14th question, write the answer, all of you, in terms of options, everyone. All of you try to write your answers. Everyone. Everyone try to write your answers. D. Right. Karupaya, Sainath, Leena, Naveen, Yesh. Everybody said D. Yes. The kind of survey in which curvature of earth is ignored, right? Curvature of earth is ignored means we are using the flat earth theory, na? So in which survey generally? It is a plane survey only we are using this one, yes, na? In a plane survey only we are neglecting which one? We are neglecting the curvature of this earth, right? Now this is given in Arunachal Pradesh and this is given in KPSC also. Right, now select this one, everyone. This question, 15th question, select the answer of you. 15th question, select the answer of you. This is a TNPSC actually, right? This is which question? TNPSC AE 2018 question it is, right? So that was missing actually. Now tell me, everyone, try to select the answer of you. How these plumb lines will be there, right? All of you try to select the answers. Right. Okay. Leena A, Karupaya A, Yesh A, Sainath A, Naveen A. Everybody selected A. Yes. Very good. Very, very good. Very, very good, guys. So in geodetic survey means, right? Geodetic survey means, right? Which one we are considering? Curvature of the earth we are considering or not? Already selected. Very good then, right? Curvature of earth is considered, na? Whenever the curvature, Prashant also answered, a curvature of the earth is considered. So what will happen? So whenever you are providing this plumb line here, right? Let us say this is the instrument and this is your plumb bob you are having, na? Bob, right? Bob Marley, that plumb bob fellow is there, na? This is your plumb bob if you just observe. And whenever this plumb bob line is there, it is the same as that of your radius line, na? Yes, absolutely. And suppose if your instrument is here, means what? Whenever your instrument is here, what happens? Whenever your instrument is here, that plumb line is also here, na? So this is also the plumb line, right? This is the plumb line, you can say. Wherever you are considering, all the plumb lines are along the radial lines only, no? Yes, absolutely. So which one are correct? Radial lines is correct or not? Yes, radial lines is correct, right? Suppose if it is a plane survey, whenever it is a plane survey like this, right, this is the instrument and this is a plumb bob you are handing over, right? Bob the Builder, one of the cartoon. Yes, correct, right? So here it is, which one? It is perpendicular to the level line. Is there any radius line you are having here? If you just observe in case of plane surveying, it is not the radius lines, you can see if you just observe, right? Isn't it? Perpendicular will be the answer if it is a plane surveying, like that. Shall I move to the next question of you? Yes, I'll be moving to the next question, right? Select the answer here. Try to select the answer of you, everyone. For this question, 16th question. Chota bacha seeing cartoon only, na? Yes, Chota bacha will see cartoon only. Yes, absolutely. Tell me all of you, what is the answer for this question, 16th question, everyone? Somebody answer. Everybody, right? Right. Leena, Yesh, Naveen, Karupaya. Right. Yes, it is done. But what is it given if you just observe? A survey which is to understand, which is done for studying of these heavenly bodies like sun and stars, right? That is the extra statement given. That is the extra statement given for the same kind of question itself, right? That is the extra statement given if you just observe, right? That is the extra statement given, right? But here that is not the extra statement given, right? So which one? Surveying is done to understand the heavenly bodies, right? Heavenly bodies means stars and sun only, no? Which one it is? Astronomical survey, right? Options are also different, right? For yesterday's questions options are different, and for this question options are different, right, Leena? Isn't it? Options are different and the question is also a little bit modified, right? Now tell me this 17th question answer. This 17th question answer, all of you, how much it comes to be? The 17th question, all of you, what is your answer? Seventeenth question, somebody select the answer. Karupaya said B, Yesh D, Leena D, right? Which one is correct, all of you? Which one is correct? Somebody check it. Ravindra D, right? Yeah, Manideepa, yeah, Naveen also answered D. All of you try to select the answer. It is given in a Delhi Metro Rail, Nagaland PSC, OPSC, OPSC, UJVNL, right? Many questions it is given, all of you. Many state PSCs this question is given if you just all of you, right? Which one? Curvature of the earth surface is taken into account only if the extent of this survey is more than this 260 or 250 square kilometer, na? Yeah. Yes, Ravindra, it is 195.5 square kilometer we have to select, right? 195.5 is there means that should be selected, right? Yes, na? Previously when we were studying BTech, na? So Ravindra, whenever we were studying BTech, this 260 or 250 was the answer. 260, 250 was the answer, right? So initially it was given in which examination? This UJVNL examination it has given, and all other exams they have copied into even in 2017 also, right? This is the old value. This is the old value, right? This is the old value, Ravindra. And what is that a new value? Yeah, what is that a new value if you just observe? What is that new value? New value होता है क्या? New value will be that 195.5 square, sorry, 195.5, which one? This square kilometer, right? Square kilometer, right? Okay, you can attend, no problem, money. So you will come to know about these things, na? You will come to know about these things, na? So that you will learn some little bit concepts also, money. If you attend, no problem. If you are having time, no problem. Or otherwise, you can attend after surveying is over. Okay. Right. New value will be this 195.5 square kilometers, right? Or kilometer square, right? Old value will be this 260 wala, right? Is that clear, Ravinder? So that is old wala. This is a new wala, right? New value you can say. Yes, na? Right. Yes, you can attend, Lina, no problem. This 18th question. Tell me all of you. Tell me all of you this 18th question. So means still some examiners are not updating that there is a new value has come up, all of you. So what you can understand from that, still some examiners are not understanding that, not able to update themselves, right? They are in the old mode only, right? Like yeah. Once it is done, tell me. Select the answer for this 18th question. 18th question, select the answer everyone. C. Leena, Karupaya, Sainath, Manideepa, C. Right, many people said C only. Any other answer? Right, Ravindra, C. Right, yes, right. Yes, we'll see if you just observe. What is the answer? The survey which are carried out to depict mountains, rivers, water bodies, wooded area. What is the meaning of wooded area? वो wooded area क्या होता है? Wooded area means it is which one? This is a forest. Okay, wooded area means which one? Forest, you can say, right? So Telangana state TS Genco, Nagaland PSC, Haryana, these three examinations this is given, right? Yes, jungle, right? Wooded area means jungle, right? Jungle, correct, right? Sabana, Pramod, yes, all of you answered C, very good. So when all these and other cultural details are known as, right, cadastral survey, CT survey, topographical survey, guide map survey, plane survey, right? First of all, is it a plane survey? Plane survey means, is it related to this? Plane survey means curvature of earth is considered or curvature of earth is not considered, right? That discussion should come into picture, right? So curvature को consider करना है क्या नहीं करना है, right? So ऐसा डिस्कशन होना है ना, होता है ना क्वेश्चन में, if it is plane survey, so this option E is absolutely wrong then. Guide map survey, right? So guide map survey क्या होता है? गाइड मैप सर्वे में क्या होता है, राइट? गाइड मैप सर्वे में हम क्या देखेंगे, हम क्या रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे? If you just observe in this guide map survey means in this will be showing the guide for target, right? Target. Suppose if you are starting a pipeline at some location and we are ending the pipeline at some other location, let us say, right? We need to guide that where it is located. Yes, na? That is what. My energy is more than nuclear energy. Very good, but I have to make sure that it should not burst. Is na? City survey. City survey क्या बोलता है? City survey means we'll be conducting in this city ना. Inside a city, एक ही city में mountains, rivers, water bodies, forest होता है क्या? एक single city में mountains, rivers, water bodies, forest, everything will be present in a city. Will it be? ऐसा होता है क्या? Will it be like that or it won't be like that? All of you, it won't be like that, na? It won't be like that, right? So this is city survey also not correct, right? Cadastral survey. Cadastral survey, cadastral maps क्या दिखाते हैं हमको? Cadastral survey, it will be showing the road boundaries, if you just, right? It will be showing the property boundaries, right? It will be showing which one? This property boundaries, all of you, right? So private property, right? My agricultural field is there. So beside that, Yesh agricultural field is there, and beside that, Leena's agricultural field is there. Beside that, Mani's agricultural field is there. Beside that, Torque agricultural field is there. Like that, right? Like that, those properties, private property boundaries are shown by this cadastral survey. And which one is left finally? Yes, Aili is only for Shanti. Which survey is finally left out? Topographical survey is left out, na? Yes, we are left with which one? Topographic wala survey. So topographic wala survey में mountains दिखाते हैं, rivers दिखाते हैं, water bodies like ponds दिखाते हैं, forest दिखाते हैं ना? yes ना? वो topographical map ये चीजों को दिखाते हैं ना हमको, yes ना? So that topographical map or topographical map will show all these details, and we'll be studying about all these details only, isn't it? Shall I move forward then? Yes, I'll move forward. Try to select the answer for this 19th question, everyone. Who is Shanti? Shanti, yeah, she is my classmate. Okay, right. She is Tark's classmate. You inquire with Tark. Yeah. Select the answer for this 19th question. Select the answer for this 19th question. Select the answer, everyone, for this 19th wala question. Your local attraction is converted to love attraction. Very good then. So you have to eliminate the local attraction, right? So you have to find the place where station where local attraction is not there and eliminate that. Okay. Try to apply corrections then. Yeah, Karupaya said C. And others, what about others? Ravendra C. Others be bol do na. Correct answer ko. Yeah, Yesh, Leena C. Sainath C. Any other answer? Is it okay? My Hindi is okay, little bit okay na? You are not going to commit suicide, right, with my Hindi? Yes na? Right. You are not going to commit suicide with my Hindi, right? Yes na? A forest land is to be surveyed, right? Okay. A forest land is to be surveyed without accumulating errors. The approach to be taken should be, right? What is that approach we have to take it? Whenever you are conducting the forest land survey without any errors, establish which one is minor. It is not Munar. So don't ask me who is that Munar or Faruqi or Munar like that. Don't ask me. Establish minor control points with low precision first. So means minor control points means unimportant points or secondary level points we have to locate first. Locate the details first and then the major control point. Without identifying the control points, you locate the detail first, and after that and after that what we need to do, and after that what we need to do, and after that what we need to do, and after that you locate the control points. Is it okay? No. Fix the major control points with a great precision and do the detailing. Is not? So whatever the survey generally you are doing, right, locate the animals and mark there as the control points. So whenever you are locating animals as the control point, right, whenever you are locating animals as a control point, can you have singular location for animal? So that the cheetah will be there, it will be moving from one location to other location. Deer is there, bear is there, they will be moving from one location to other location. Can you take them as reference? No. Fix the minor control points and then start detailing. So which one we have to start first? Whenever this is a forest or very big area, means this is Chhattisgarh, right? We need to figure out big elephant. Okay, which one we need to identify first? First we need to identify the major control points, right? Major control points we have to identify. After identifying these major control points, then we have to join these lines or whatever it is, and after that we have to go for inside points. Means we have to go for detailing, right? Let us say there is a pond here, right? It's not. So let us say there is some building constructed, forest office building is constructed, let us say like that. There is some road constructed here, if you just right like that. What we need to do, all of you? First major control points, after that only remaining chota bacha wala details we have to take na? Yes, absolutely. Is it not working from whole to part? Indirectly, right? Indirectly, what is that given in the question? Indirectly the advantage of this, right? Advantage of this working from whole to part is given. Is it clear, everyone? Indirectly that advantage of this whole to part is given, working from whole to part. Yes na? Indirectly that is working from whole to part is given, simply nothing else. So which one is the correct answer? First you need to fix the major control points, means outer boundary lines we need to fix, and after that we need to go for which one? Inside the detailing. So minor chota wala details, part details. Is that clear, everyone? It is nothing but working from whole to part, but they have given in a different manner. The Chhattisgarh wala examination they have given like this, right? वो बड़ा कमाल का question है ना? Yes, absolutely. Next, 20th question. Select the answer. Select the answer, everyone. Select the answer of you. Yesterday itself we have given the shape, right? That onion, tomato shape we have given, na? Yes. Karupaya, Leena, Sainath, what is that? Shape of the earth, right? Yes. All of you answered yes. Madhav or Sabana answered yes. Sainath, everybody answered yes only. Shape of the earth, right? Shape of the earth is oblate spheroid, right? Oblate spheroid means, is it exactly a sphere, or one dimension is higher than, slightly higher than other dimension? One dimension is slightly higher than the other dimension. It looks like a sphere only, but it is not exactly a sphere, right? This horizontal equator wala dimension is higher compared to this poles wala dimension. Is that clear, everyone? Yeah, onion shape, right? This equator horizontal dimension is little bit higher compared to this vertical pole's diameter, then you can say it is oblate spheroid, right? Yeah, yes, geoid is also correct, right? Geoid is also correct, Mujib. Yes, but is there any option with the geoid? Geoid or oblate spheroid, all are same, you can say, right? Is there any geoid you are having? There is no geoid given now, but which one is a appropriate answer we have to select? Oblate spheroid only we have to select it now. Yes, oblate spheroid only we have to select, right? Now select the answer for this next question, 21st question. Select the answer, everyone. C, everybody said C only, right? Mujib A, 21st, right? Sainad C, Tower of Power C. Yeah, Tower of Power, right? Good rhyming, yeah. Very good. Mujib C, Leena C, Karpaya C. Yeah, yes. Which one is correct? Surveying deals with which one? Surveying deals with which one? Absolute position. Do you have any absolute position actually? Do you have any absolute position of any point? It is not possible to have any absolute position, right? Astronomical position, relative position, preliminary position, right? Which one is correct? Relative position, right? Sir, how can we say it is a relative position? हम कैसे बोल सकते हैं वो relative positions से हम deal कर सकते हैं in surveying? हम relative positions से deals कर सकते हैं in surveying. How can you say that word? You are just a select option, but job not selected you. Okay, right? But job also will be selecting you. But if you are doing a practice very well, right? If you are thorough with concepts, absolutely talk. Right? This is the Tamil Nadu PSC wala question, right? What is that you can say? Generally in surveying, what you are doing? Generally in surveying, what you are doing? Yeah, here we are telling that a distance between the 2 points, na A and B, horizontal distance, na. What is the meaning of this distance between the 2 points? Distance AB or length of this line AB is nothing but, can we say distance AB is nothing, distance is nothing but your this 10 kilometer, right? Let us say this is your 10 meter. What does it mean? It means that with respect to this point A, point B is located at a 10 meter horizontal distance, right? With respect to this point A, point B is located at a 10 meter horizontal distance, right? The relative position of 2 points only, no? Right. Now if you just say reduce level, this is your benchmark, you can say this is your benchmark reduce level. And whenever you are finding out this doing this leveling survey, and what is the reduce level of this point? That reduce level of this point B is equal to 106.19 meters, right? What does it mean? What does it mean? It means that with respect to this benchmark, right? With respect to this benchmark 100 benchmark, with respect to this benchmark, it is located at 6 meters. And with respect to this datum, so with respect to this mean sea level or datum, with respect to this datum or mean sea level, where it is located? 106 meters higher elevation than datum it is located, right? It is also vertical relative position only, na? Yes, absolutely. With respect to one point, you are representing the other point location, right? Like that. Is it clear, everyone? Is it clear, all of you? Yes, right? Try to, shall I move to the next question? Is it clear, all of you? What is that surveying deals with? Now, I'll be moving on to the next question. Select the answer for this 22nd question, everyone. Select the answer for this 22nd question, all of you. Select the answer, everyone. But I am from UP, but Tamil people are very knowledgeable, very literate people, just like you. Yeah, yeah. Everybody is having some knowledge, right? Everybody is having knowledge, right? It does not mean that only Tamil people are having knowledge or Hindi people are not having it. Is not like that. Okay, right? Which one is the answer? Yeah, Karupaya A, Leena said A, Tower of Power said A, Yesh said A, Mujib said A. Everybody said A, right? The process of determining the differences of elevation of stations from vertical angles is known, vertical angles and known distances is known as, It is a geodetic survey. Geodetic survey means simply what should be the condition given. If you just observe simply what should be the condition given, geodetic surveying means, whenever we are considering the curvature of earth and conducting surveys, then you can say that it is which one? Geodetic surveying. Topographic survey means what? Those rivers, ponds, hills, those details are given. Whenever those details are given, right? Whenever those details are given, you can say that it is which one? This is topographical survey, right? Field astronomy, right? What is that field astronomy? You can say field astronomy means we'll be dealing with which one? Field astronomy means we'll be dealing with which one all of you? Field astronomy means we'll be dealing with which one all of you? We will be dealing with the sun, star, moon, planets, everything, na? Yes. But this trigonometric surveying means what? Using the trigonometric principles, we'll be calculating the distances and elevations. Isn't it? Isn't it all of you? Using the trigonometric surveying, right? Using the trigonometric surveying, what you are doing all of you? Using the trigonometric surveying, right? Using the trigonometric leveling, we are dealing with this, right? For this trigonometric leveling, which instrument we have to use all of you? For this trigonometric leveling, which instrument we have to use? We are using the theodolite, na? We are using that theodolite, na? Yes or no? For trigonometric leveling, what we are using? We are using the theodolite, if you just observe, right? We are using which one? This is theodolite, if you just observe. Yes, na? Theodolite, right? Theodolite we are using, isn't it? Right. So what we are doing, if you just observe? So let us say this is your point you are having. Right, sorry, this is the instrument we are having. Now, this is the instrument we are having, let us say. So, and we are asked to find out the reduced level of this point B, na? So this is your benchmark known to us, right? This is your benchmark known to us, right? Whose reduced level is known to us. Then we are asked to identify the reduced level of which one? This particular point or not. So let us say there is a cell tower, right? This is your tower, let us say. Whenever this is a cell tower, right, we need to find out the reduced level of this bottom of the cell tower and the top of this cell tower, na, or height of this one, na. So these are all the things we can find out only by using the trigonometric leveling, right? So now shall I move on to the next question, all of you? Yes, I'll move on to the next question, the 23rd question. Select the correct answer, all of you. 23rd question. Select the answer, all of you. Everyone. A, C, B, B. Okay. B, B. Which one is the correct answer? Right. Yes, if you just observe, geodetic surveying is used for detailing the topography of this large area, getting the control points for horizontal control, finding the elevation of the points precisely, finding the latitude and longitude of these points, right? Which one it is? Right, no problem, right? See here, everybody will be having the same problem, right? There are many people, right? So since 5 years also some people are unable to get the jobs, right? They are working, right? You have to work, you have to work, you have to work until you are getting. That's it. Okay. If you observe that KFC chicken, have you heard any time? Have you heard this KFC anytime? You might have gone to KFC, right? So that KFC, right? That KFC, whenever that fellow at the age of 65, right? His wife left him at that age, right? And nobody is accepting him, right? He lost his job many times, right? He was tortured by many people. And whenever he wanted to start his own recipe, and he wanted to work as a chef in many hotels or restaurants, but his formula was not accepted, right? His recipe was not accepted, right? More than 1,000 times it was restricted, it was rejected. Okay, yeah, more than 1,000 times it was rejected, but finally whenever until it is getting accepted, more than 1,000 times it is rejected, right? Now tell me, that fellow has tried for 1,000 times now, Suppose if that KFC fellow, whenever he tried only for 5 times, 6 times, and stopped trying for his receipt to be accepted after 5, 6 times, so KFC would have been this much famous in the worldwide now? No, KFC would not have become this much famous worldwide at present, right? He tried for more than 1,000 times. That is the reason now we are listening KFC name. Now we are going to KFC, right? Yeah, even vegetarians also will be available in KFC. Yes, don't worry, right? But mainly it is for chicken, you can say, right? Yes, na? So here you have to try until you are getting. That's it, nothing else. Okay. Try until you are getting. That's it, right? Even I am also having some of the friends, right? Even at the 40 years of age also he got job, government job. Do you have 40 years of age aspirant? No, na? Right. So even at the 40 years of age also he got job, right? He worked and he got job, right? Previously he was working like which one? So working in normal engineering colleges as a lab assistant, right? For 6,000, 7,000, 8,000 rupees he was doing the job. Now he is a assistant executive engineer now, right? You imagine, right? Only try, you have to try until you get it. That's it. That is the only point you have to keep in mind, right? Yeah, see, when that 40, at the age of 40 years that fellow is trying means, so why we should get demotivated even at 24 years? Is not? We should not get demotivated. We should not get demotivated, isn't it? Is not? Right, tell me. So you have to be careful, right? Yeah, there are lot many ways to win the life. Absolutely, you are having it. There are lot many ways you are having if you just observe, right? So this is Gujarat PSC. This is Gujarat PSC examination, right? Yeah. Yes, right. Yes, Stark. You have to try, right? If not once, twice. If not twice, thrice. If not 3 times, 4 times. If not 5 times, try 6 times, right? But yet any one time you will be getting definitely. Okay, whatever is your target, right? Isn't it? Definitely you will be getting, right? Definitely you will be getting, right? Suppose whenever you are proposing a girl, you like a girl, what you will be doing? When that girl will be rejecting for the first time, will you just stop? No, you will be trying for hundreds of times to impress that girl, na? Then why don't you keep the same interest in studying, in getting the job? Shanti, to impress Shanti only? Okay, yeah, whatever it may be, right? So why don't you keep the same interest? Why don't you show the same interest in getting the job? Why don't you show the same interest, and why don't you go for same number of trials in getting this job? Yes, absolutely. Everything is possible once you are trying for many number of times. Absolutely. It's not right. Okay. Geodetic surveying is used for. Geodetic surveying is used for detailing the topography. Is it only for detailing the topography? Om Shanti. Okay. Is it only for detailing the topography, all of you? Yeah, yes, absolutely, right? Desire is big, then automatically success is also bigger, right? If you just get demotivated, I am unable to get, okay, this is sufficient, whatever I am getting, then you will be at this level only. Then you will be at this level only. When Chai Wala can become Prime Minister, why can't you? Absolutely possible, na? Yes, absolutely possible, na? Yes, it is possible, right? Only topographical details we are getting. Only topographical details you are getting. You are going for? No, no. Getting the control points, right, for any type of survey, whether it is topographical or non-topographical or cadastral, whatever koi bhi survey puch do, right, whatever the survey you consider, that is which one? Control points. And control points for this horizontal control is very important, na? Crush is only crush always. Yes, absolutely, right. So that is what I am telling, right? You should start loving your subject, right, then loving somebody else. Yes, na? So getting a control points for horizontal control. Finding the elevation. Finding the elevation means it is the leveling, na? Finding the latitude, and it is also not this one, you consider it which one among the first two only it is, right? Control points, right? Getting the control points for which one? This horizontal control is the correct answer. Is that clear? Right? Is that clear, everyone? Right? Is that clear? Is that clear? Okay, in case of IRMS he has cheated. Okay, right, okay, let it be. So here but many other jobs are also related, na? Many other jobs are also released, na? Yes, na? Right. So what is that you can say? This 24th. So we'll just solve this 24th question, right? Tell me, all of you, what is this 24th question answer. What is this? Karupaya, set B, others, aspirant A, B, Leena B, Rohit Kumar B, Sainath A, tower of power, object of surveying B. Any other answer? Yes, right. Reconnaissance for determining the survey feasibility, right? Yeah, yes, also B. Reconnaissance for determining the survey feasibility and estimation of scheme falls under the classification based on which one? Classification based on which one? Nature of the field of the survey or object of this survey, instrument used or method employed, right? Instrument used means what is that? Based on the instrument used, if you are using a chain survey, if you are using a compass survey, if you are using a theodolite survey, right? So that is not now, we are just checking which one? Reconnaissance for determining the survey feasibility. Whether this survey is useful or not, we are deciding. Whether this survey is useful or not, we are deciding. How can we decide? Based on the instrument we are using? No. Based on the method employed, or based on the nature of the field of the survey, or based on the object of the surveying? Based on the object of this surveying, na? Based on the object of this surveying, we are deciding whether which type of this survey is suitable, isn't it? Yeah, I am in Hyderabad, Telangana, right? Short notes, I am staying in Hyderabad now, right? Yeah, since long many years I am staying in Hyderabad only. Since 2006 I am in Hyderabad only, right? From my BTech onwards, right? So here object of surveying, right? It's not based on the object of surveying only, whether it is engineering survey, right? Whether it is engineering survey, then you can use, these are the kinds of survey: chain survey, theodolite survey, plane table survey. These surveys are useful, like that you can say. Whenever it is a archaeological survey, whenever it is archaeological survey, based on that archaeological details we wanted to go for it. So then which kind of survey? Chain surveying, directly we cannot use it. So like that. So based on the object of survey only, we can decide whether it is suitable or feasible or not. This particular survey is suitable or feasible or not, we can decide. Yes, not? Isn't it? Absolutely. Next, this question, 25th question. Select the answer of you. What is this? Service plan? Yeah, jobs are announced now, so notification will come soon, don't worry. But recruitment will take one year almost, mostly. The 25th question, service plan. It is drawn to a scale not lesser than that of site plan. Include the layout and existing water supply system. Shows the predominant wind direction, all the above. Service plan, right? Generally, whenever you say service plan, means it is providing a service, na, generally. It is providing a service or not, right? It is providing the service, right? Generally, what is that site plan if you just observe? Yeah, what is that site plan if you just observe? Site plan is a graphical, right? Yeah, okay, yeah, yes, I'll be stopping with this, no problem, right? Yes, I'll be stopping with this question, okay, right? What is that site plan if you just observe? Site plan is a graphical representation of what? Site plan is a graphical representation of which one of you? It is a graphical representation of this entire project that play important role for the development, right? And what it will be showing? Building, parking, so drainage, lighting, landscape, and all these are shown in this site map, na? But in this service plan, what we are showing? Proposed subdivisions, right? Whenever you are having this land, na, and what are the subdivisions of this land are shown in this, right? This is a Kerala PSC question, right? That is your service plan, right? So subdivisions of this land are shown in this, right? And existing and proposed water supply system, right? Already some water lines are present here, and it is better we have to go for some other water lines in this manner, right? These are the existing water lines and those are the proposed water lines, right? Those details are also given, right? And also drainage system, sewerage system, and which one? All these elements are given, right? So which one? predominant wind direction include the layout of existing water supply system, right? Layout of existing water supply system means existing pipelines and existing, which one? Existing, you can say existing and proposed water supply, both will show in this, right? Both will show in this, right? And it is drawn to a scale not lesser than the site plan. Okay, it is drawn to a scale not lesser than which one? It is not lesser than which one? This is site plan, right? What is the meaning of this? Whenever you are selecting a site plan, that site plan is showing for which one? That site plan is showing for which one? This large details. And is it okay to select a scale lesser than that? Or it is better almost we have to use the same scale? It is better almost we have to use the same scale, or it is possible if you try to use the higher scale, na? More scale we have to use better, na? Yes or no? Sir, site map is covering larger area, but this service map is covering a smaller portion, you can say, right? Service map is covering smaller portion, right? And almost the same details you are getting, right? So then it is better you have to go with which one? This higher scale compared to that site plan. So it should not be having lesser scale, right? Both are correct. And showing the predominant wind direction. How this wind direction is important? Whenever you are constructing a bridge or high rise building and all these things, this wind direction is also important or not? Yes, absolutely. So which one are correct? Service plan means it is providing various types of this services, right? Like that. Is that clear, everyone? Is that clear, all of you? Right, right. So I'll be closing the session, all of you. So is everything clear? So 5 more questions are there in this types of this survey, and after that we'll be entering into the scales part in tomorrow's class, fundamentals of surveying only, right? Shall I close the session? Yes, I'll be closing the session.